start. For eye base, going to apply this Real Love concealer on my lids and shade is C14.2. This is Hydra Boost concealer. It won't give full coverage and we have to build it up. So I'm using brush to blend, not using any sponge because it sucks all products from skin. Here I applied 2 coats and now set with a loose powder. So now, for eyes, if you don't have any dark shades like brown, maroon, reds in eyeshadows for outer V corner or crease line, don't worry guys, you can use your lipsticks. So today I am applying this Mars Super Stay lipstick, shade is Sinful, blending with the fingers only. You no need for any brushes to blend, just blend with your fingers. For shimmer, I am using this Nykaa mini palette. In this palette only I am having golden shimmer here. Again using my finger to apply this, and also for shimmer shade, use your fingers. It gives perfect payoff rather than a brush. See how it is looking. And now I am not using any regular eyeliner or Kohl pencil. Here I am using Nykaa's Glamoreyes eye pencil, shade is Bronze 08/copper. It's totally optional dears, it's not important to use the same pencil on your look. You can use eyeliner or Kajal, that's your choice. And in waterline using Kohl Kajal from Plum. And also applying in my upper waterline. And now blending out my kajal with a tapered brush to make softer lines. This mascara is my all-time favorite for functions. This mascara is from L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. You no need any falsies after this. And we are done. So this is a beginner friendly eye makeup because this is easy way of creating beautiful, perfect eye makeup without any complication and not using lots of products and not more steps to do this. Hope you guys would create this look and tag it on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Check it out from there. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.